Hello, welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Hello Kitty. Let's start off with the top right where the bow should be. Right around here. Let's start with a little circle. Right here. And let's add in the two little sides. Starting from the top, go up, down. Then on the bottom bow, repeat the same shape, but on the bottom. Let's add a little bit of a detail, a little circle in here, and in here. And that's gonna be her bow. Let's add a little ear behind the bow before we start. Let's go up and down to connect. Once you're done with this ear, we could lay out the other ear. We're just gonna go from here in the middle of the bow and go across just for the top of the head, like so. And let's go up for the other ear. Right around here is the peak, and we're gonna go down to this point. Let's connect like so. And let's go for the two sides of the face now. Let's go right here. One side. And the other side. This is gonna be the head. And now we need the two little eyes right in the middle around here. Let's do one. And let's do the other one across. And now we just need to fill both. Once the eyes are in, let's draw in the nose. It's going to be similar shape to the eye, but sideways. Like so. And once you're done with the face, we need the little whiskers. It's going to be 3 on either side. Move it down a little bit from the eye, go to the left, and draw our first whisker. And the other one is above the eye. Let's go here, and then another one in the middle. On the right side, we are going to repeat the same 3 whiskers. 1, 2, and 1 in the middle. And once your head is complete, let's draw in the little chin all the way across, but we're going to leave just a little bit of space, and this is going to be for the hand. Let's go and stop. And this is going to be for her little thumb for her hand. So we're just going to add the thumb and a little fist right around here, and then go down. And that's going to be her hand. But before we connect the hand to the body, let's start off the body. Right around the eye right here, we're going to go down from this point, right here on this page. And then we want to go and curve out and down. And this is going to be the front of our body. And let's connect the hand to this body, like so. Once you're done with that, we just need a little sleeve right down here, like so. Give you some time to catch up, and if I'm going a little too fast, just pause the video, and once you're ready to continue, just unpause. Since we have this hand done, let's go on the other side for the other hand. Let's go and do a little bit of curve, and similar to over here, we're gonna add a little thumb on her other arm and the hand. And let's add a line for the sleeve. And then for the outfit, let's draw in a little U for the neck detail, and then 2 buttons for the overall. 1 button, 2 button, and it's gonna be for the other side of the overall. And below the arm, let's draw in a little line for the bottom of her overalls. And let's go down, up a little bit, and then down, up for the two legs of our overalls. And for our feet, we're just gonna go down from here, cross, and add a little bit of a front of the leg. And same on the back. Go up. And this could be the other leg. Hello Kitty is just missing a little bit of a tail. Let's add that. And once you're done with the drawing, all we need is color real quick. Let's start off with the red for the bow. And once your red is done, let's go pick a good yellow. And it's gonna be for our outfit. Once you're done with the yellow, we need to move over to the blue. Let's go grab a blue. Try out this blue for the overalls, and we just want to do the overall part. Once you're done with the blue, we're almost done. We're missing the nose yellow a little bit, so let's add that in real quick. And I do want to add a light color to Hello Kitty for some depth, just a little bit of shadowing. And there you have it, your own Hello Kitty drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.